Ahoy, this is Zdenka. This is Feiyu SCORP MINI, which I introduced last year in July 2022. And this is Feiyu SCORP MINI 2 kit, not just a gimbal, but a whole kit. Let's check out what is new and improved on this gimbal. Many things have changed. Mainly the AI tracking sensor has been added, so this gimbal can track you with any camera. Another gimbal with AI tracking sensor. Also, let's check out the whole kit and all accessories. This video is sponsored by Feiyu Tech. Very quickly, for those who are not familiar with FeiyuTech SCORP MINI, it is 4-in-1 gimbal. You can use it with mirrorless cameras, pocket cameras, smartphones, and action cameras. The maximum payload is 1.2 kilograms. It's light. It weighs only 787 grams. It's quite small. What has changed? Actually, quite a lot. I'm going to start with the smallest change, and that is this power button in the back. On the previous version, the power button was just kind of sticking out. So I'm assuming that some people just accidentally bumped into the power button, because now it is more inside. The same goes with F1 and F2 buttons. Rotating wheel has a new look, just a minor change. This logo right here has been moved here, because as you can see, there is more room now. This whole part has changed lots. Joystick and control panel. M button and record button have been raised more now. I mean, they are sticking out more now. You can feel them better. Joystick is way more prominent now. You can easily move it around. On top of it, you can see that the angle is simply different. Before it was kind of facing you, now it is a bit down. More big changes are happening right here. This wheel is gone. They replaced it with a regular lock. This plate is different. There's also a port for attaching additional accessories, and at the front is an AI tracking sensor. There are 4 parts here. For vertical filming with regular cameras, action cameras, you will use this part, which is a quick installation slider. For horizontal filming, you will use these 3 parts: open loading space, L-shaped fixed plate, and a quick installation slider. And for smartphone, you will use this clamp only. I actually really like this change. The clamp lets you change the smartphone from vertical to horizontal filming just with a turn. Let's start with the mirrorless camera first. I have installed and balanced my Canon M6 Mark II on this gimbal. When I'm trying to move it around, I have to say that the joystick position is better. It's easy to access the menu and record button. Let's do some moves and see how it reacts. Let's check out the big new feature, which is AI tracking sensor. The way you enable it is to show an OK sign. Now it's green and it starts tracking me. You will turn it off the same way, just show the OK sign. That's pretty good. And the sensor is not in a way of the lens, so I'm feeling that if I had a bigger camera on a tripod and with a little bit bigger lens, there's still a lot of room for the sensor to fully see me. So I don't think there would be any issue here whatsoever. And it's pretty quick. Oh yeah, that's good. When you're going to be using a mirrorless camera, you can connect it with the Feiyu SCORP app, where you get more professional settings. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do in the app. I'm sure that the app has changed a bit. It always does with new release. All right, I see device battery, auto connect is enabled. What do we get below? Scenario is first. Here is auto rotation, where you can customize vortex mode. Next one is panorama, which gives you 3x3, 180, and custom panorama. In custom, you can really tweak it further. Time-lapse lets you film hyperlapse, static time-lapse, and motion time-lapse. Track video lets you program moves with the help of waypoints. Button settings are next. Knob settings, where you can switch from focus motor to electronic focusing. Motor power is where you can auto-tune your gimbal. You can change follow speed in this section. The speeds are slow, medium, fast, and custom. Camera settings are next. Horizontal calibration lets you select auto calibration, and more has some additional settings. You can disable boot sound, AI module, manual lock, check firmware update, and so on. Let's move on to smartphones. The balancing was fairly easy with this clamp. When you are installing the clamp, it snaps into place, in position. The question is, what is available in the app? I'm using iPhone 15 Pro. This time I'm going to use a different app called Feiyu On app. So just to make it clear, there are two apps. One is for smartphones and the other one is for mirrorless cameras. The app looks similar to what it was before. You can take photos, videos, film slow motion, time lapses, dolly zoom, and there is also light rail mode. You can enable timer, beauty mode, you can enable grid line, HDR, it has advanced features such as peak assist, and here is Track Genie, which is tracking in portrait mode. Below are filters, and under more settings, you have further controls. Here you can enable filming with an ultra-wide camera. I noticed I don't see telephoto camera. There is, however, digital zoom. Below is where you can change resolution. You can adjust zoom speed here and panorama level settings. You can film in manual mode, control focus, and zoom. On the right side is another setting where you can change scenes or select custom. The nice thing is that I can film in Blackmagic camera app or native camera app. I can enable tracking and I don't have to film in their app. The only time I would use it is for motion time lapses, dolly zoom, or panorama perhaps. I've got a little surprise for you. It's giveaway time. Feiyu Tech is offering one kit to one of you. So to qualify for this giveaway, you've got exactly 48 hours to make sure you're subscribed to this channel, you like this video, and comment below top 3 features which caught your attention about this gimbal, or basically what do you think about this gimbal. We would love to know your opinion, so please leave it below. The winner will be announced after 48 hours in a comment section and also in a video description of this video. The comment will be pinned to the top. There are many accessories available, like follow motor. This kit I have here comes with a reach pole. It's not extendable, but it definitely helps you reach. I even like it just for the table to get a higher angle, because I'm tall. There is also magnetic fill light for a smartphone. It attaches to the clamp directly. The clamp has to be charged separately. Next one is expandable model. These are counterweights for heavier cameras or if you have trouble balancing the gimbal. You attach them on the arm like this and you can only select the weight you need. You can take it all apart. There is also support mount for lens, action camera attachment, all kinds of cables, all is there. This gimbal was quite good before, but now with the AI tracking, it's definitely much better. I'm gonna link it below for those interested. I will definitely compare few of those 3-in-1, 4-in-1 gimbals, so don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this first look, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this gimbal. Don't forget to check out one of these videos next. See you in the next one. Ciao. Ahoj.